What's up, guys? Welcome to part 1 of this series. I do not know how many parts there will be. However, I'm truly excited to turn $5 into a brand new set of pads. Alright, it is Saturday, August 17th?
I have no idea.
I think it's something like that. Anyways, we found a $5 bill on the floor. Well, Jacqueline did. And I have this idea, and I was thinking about it for a while. A lot of people ask me like how they can buy new equipment. And although I don't need any new gear right now, well, I do need some pants, or as Jacqueline calls it, shorts. But I have this idea, and I want to turn this $5 into a brand new set of pads through a method of buying and selling and flipping items that I can find. So like buying something for $5 and then selling it for more than $5, so $10, whatever. The goal would be to double it every time. But anyways, this is going to be an interesting little video series that I'm going to create to show you guys that you can indeed buy new equipment. You just got to put a little bit of work, especially for you younger guys who don't have a job or aren't old enough to get a job. This might be a good way for you guys to buy the equipment that you need to play, or to buy whatever it is that you guys want, or just to have fun. So anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna buy just yet, but I will let you know as I do it. So my goal, because I've actually done this once already, but I only did it with one item, and it was a Tesla Model 3 Hot Wheel. And that's because, as you might be able to tell, I own a Tesla Model 3, and when I saw that they came out with a Hot Wheel, I was so excited because I wanted one. But then I realized that, well, wait, every Tesla Model 3 owner probably wants to own one of these Hot Wheels. So then it hit me, I'm like, I could probably flip it on Amazon. And then when I went on Amazon to see how much they were selling for, they were like $19.99. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna look out for those when I'm in like Dollarama and Walmarts and stuff like that. So long story short, I ended up finding one for sale at Dollarama. I paid $1.25 for it. And then the week later, I listed it on Amazon Seller for free, and I ended up selling it for $18.99. Now you got to subtract their Amazon fee as well as the cost it takes to ship it, but they usually give you a credit for shipping, and I think it was about $6. However, it cost me about $12 to ship it. So the total cost for the Hot Wheel on my end was $1.25 plus like 12 bucks. So let's say $13.25, right? I ended up selling it for $18.99 plus $6. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. I sold it for $24 minus Amazon's fee, which I think was like $3, and then the $12 for shipping. That's $15. So I basically made $9 on that sale, which at the end of the day, if I bought it for $1.25, that's really good. So anyways, I'm just gonna head over to Walmart to see what they have there, to see if they have any more Tesla Model 3s or any other Hot Wheel. Alright, so those are all the Hot Wheels that I found just at one Walmart that are worth more than like $14 each. Obviously I only have $5 to spend, so I gotta choose which ones are the best. Alright, so after double checking the prices on everything, I wasn't gonna get them all. I just wanted to see which ones were roughly around $15 or more net profit based on Amazon sellers. So I'm leaving behind these ones. So the one thing I noticed when doing this Amazon checker is that I think the more regular the car is, so if it's a Hot Wheel, but it's based off of an actual car that somebody might own, they're probably more likely to spend more money on it, because if I own the car, I'd probably want a little miniature Hot Wheel version of it as well, like the Tesla. I wish they made it in red, the Model 3, so that I can have a miniature Hot Wheel, like Model 3 red Hot Wheel as well. But anyways, if you're looking for Hot Wheels, look for Hot Wheels that are similar to real, like, authentic cars, like legitimate cars, not the crazy Hot Wheels ones that you see. Even these here, if you do, you can make like $10 a pop off of these after you sell them, even if you made $8 or $1.25 to buy. So you're really doing well buying these and selling them. So, and you can always return them if you don't sell them. So it's pretty easy.
Welcome to Walmart. 125. Place your item. How many store-provided bags did you use today?
So I just left Walmart. This is the first Walmart that I went to, and at first I almost missed the bin of Hot Wheels, but I bought a bunch. Now I know that I said I was going to start with $5, and realistically you could start with $5. I ended up spending $26, got a lot more Hot Wheels, but here's the thing. I know that I can return them within like 30 days as long as they're not open. So what I'm going to do is list all of them, and then if I sell them, great. And if not, then I can always return them. But if I see that they're selling, then I'll probably just keep them. But either way, I'm still gonna show you guys the process. So yes, I started with $5. You could go and buy 4 Hot Wheels for $5. And some of the Hot Wheels that I found are like selling for at least 20 bucks each, but then you gotta take away all the fees and the shipping costs and all that. You'll probably walk away with about $8 on a $20 sale, maybe 10 if you're lucky. So keep that in mind if you guys are gonna do this. That's why I was kind of not buying the ones that were $12 on Amazon, because after fees and everything, it's just not going to like yield that good of a result. Basically, anybody can do this. You don't need to know everything about anything. All you need to do is create a free Amazon seller account, or you could do this through like eBay or Kijiji or wherever, like whatever platform you have. But basically, buy stuff from like Walmart, but then flip it on Amazon and you'll make money. So that's what I'm going to do throughout this entire process. I'm going to start with these. If I manage to sell all of them, I will do the math and figure out how much that would be. And I'll do like a very, very conservative number, and then the max number and all that stuff so that you guys can see. But anyways, it's a little hot. I'm going to turn on the air and I will update you as I go. Alright, so I just went again on Amazon Seller and I just wanted to see what my total net profit, that means after all expenses and paying Amazon and for shipping and all that stuff, how much am I actually going to make? And so on the 20 Hot Wheels that I bought, for the Tesla Model 3, I'll make about $6.16 selling it for $18.99. For these 70 Ford Escort RS 1600, I'll make $6.24 per. Then for these Lamborghinis that are like police cars, I'll make about $5.34 each. Then for this one here, which is Fair Lady 2000, I'm gonna make about $6.23 there. And for this custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR, I got 4 of them. I'm gonna make $6.23 each for a grand total of $24.92. For this McLaren 720S, I'm gonna make about $5.30. For the Honda Civic Type R 2018, I'm gonna make about $8.71. And then for these cool combi Volkswagen like bug van things, I'll make about $5.40 each for a grand total of $37.80. So the grand total for all of this again was just under $27, so it's $26 and something cents. And if I were to sell everything for what I roughly estimated based on what Amazon seller tells me, I will make a grand total of about $107. So that's not too bad. That's more than 4xing my money. So imagine if you started with $5 rather than starting with $25, for example. Yes, you might not make nearly as much. You'll probably make around $30, but you can see the power of doing this. So I'm gonna go list them right now on Amazon and I'm gonna see how we do. All right, guys, so it's officially been a month since I bought and listed those Hot Wheels on Amazon. Now, I want to be 100% honest and transparent, which is why I'm making this series, because I want you guys to see if it's possible and whether or not you should do it too. So since I listed those, I actually haven't made a single sale on Amazon. But last week I decided, well, you know what, let me try listing them in other places. So I went to Facebook Marketplace. And as soon as I listed the Tesla Model 3, I immediately got a response back that somebody wanted to come and pick it up, which they're gonna do so tomorrow, which is Monday. So with that being said, guys, if you are gonna do it, don't just rely on one place to sell. Go to all the places online that you can hopefully buy and sell things on, like Craigslist, Kijiji if you're in Canada, again, Facebook Marketplace, and Amazon, and I believe there's a bunch of other places you can go and sell stuff on. So don't limit yourself just to one. I thought I could do it all through Amazon because that's where I had the success in the first place, but I realized, why should I wait? Why should I make this a longer process than it needs to be? And one key thing to keep in mind, when you're selling in other places other than Amazon, you don't have Amazon fees and you don't have to really ship it because mostly it's like peer-to-peer. So like Facebook Marketplace, they physically come to you or you go to them or whatever it is. So you don't have to actually hike up the price a little bit to make up for those shipping fees and Amazon fees. So I actually listed the Tesla Model 3 for $10 on Facebook and immediately got a response. And the nice thing about that is that you can actually undercut the Amazon prices so that your price is actually better. And then at the end of the day, my profit is still going to be the same as it was when I sold it on Amazon, because I think it was $8.74. So when I sold it, when I'm going to sell it tomorrow, I'm going to still make $8.75. So it's the exact same thing, and I didn't have to worry about going and shipping it and it getting lost in the mail and all that stuff. So anyways, guys, let me know if you like this series. Do you want me to continue updating you on this process, or do you want me just to wait until I actually go from $5 to $2,000 and then make like one big video? Let me know if you like this, and if you're interested in learning more, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if you really did like it, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And with that being said, I actually officially start my new winter season tonight, so that video will be up next Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you next time.